वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे। ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन की इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट है, उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। एंड वी आर सॉरी अगर आपको थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इन द साउंड। तबीयत थोड़ी डाउन है, सो प्लीज़ कॉपरेट इफ पॉसिबल एंड शेयर दिस अपडेट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग एंड पेंशन रिलेटेड अपडेट्स के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को यू सब्सक्राइब दोस्तों कर लेना। यहाँ पे ऑलवेज बेस्ट एफर्ट्स करता हूँ, वीडियो को शेयर करता रहूँ। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट यहाँ पे कोशिश करता हूँ शेयर करता रहूँ। काफ़ी अपडेट्स आते हैं, काफ़ी शेयर नहीं हो पाते, काफ़ी शेयर कर देता हूँ फ्रेंड्स। और छोटी से छोटी अपडेट को भी यहाँ पे शेयर करने की मैं कोशिश करता हूँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर। सो बने रहना चैनल के साथ। यहाँ पे एक ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशनर्स एंड रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन की अपडेट है फ्रेंड्स, नवंबर 14 2023 की। दैट इज़ बीइंग रेफर्ड बाय ऑल इंडिया AIB पार्क टू श्री विवेक जोशी जी, IAS सेक्रेटरी DFS को नोटिफिकेशन है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। Respected sir, pension updation for bank retirees an urgent necessity for intervention of Government of India to ensure implementation of Regulation 35(1) of Bank Employees Pension Regulation 1995 by notifying updation formula as done for the Reserve Bank of India. You are very well aware of the agonies and legitimate aspirations of more than 7 lakh of senior and super senior citizens of the banking industry whose basic pension stands frozen at the same amount and does not have the benefit of any upward revision which take place simultaneously with each pay commission in case of government employees. So for nearly 1 decade we have written endless letters on the same subject to the Honorable Finance Minister at the different point of time, to the Secretaries of Finance and also to the Chairman IBA. At the same time, we consider it is high time on the part of IBA to attend the issue of updation of pension which is pending since 1992. The banks, IBA and the government are now to arrive at the periodical updation formula as done in case of Reserve Bank of India and notifying the same as a part of Appendix 1. Since the public sector bank are the state within the meaning of Article 12 on the Constitution of India and bank pension regulations are subordinate legislation, that is the statutory obligations of the bank to update periodically the pension simultaneously with pay revision of serving employees. So we have already sent an elaborate representation on the subject to the chairman IBA on 8th November 23. In this perspective we consider it is an urgent necessity to place before you the entire gamut of pension revision in the industry with the hope that you would intervene soon. Otherwise we have a strong apprehension that certain diluted and distorted version of RBI application formula is going to be implemented and which will be unjust, unfair and illegal. Basic pension and additional pension wherever applicable shall be updated as per the formulae given in Appendix 1, and this is very unfortunate on our part to note that the honorable ministers at different points of time were misled by IBA to reply to different members of both the houses of parliament, making the honorable ministers. So it is pertinent to mention here that when we have shown the original pension regulation 35(1) and amended regulation 35(1) to the top IBA functionaries, they tend to agree with us but state with alacrity that we have taken a position in the court that there exists no provision for updation, hence it is difficult to take a U-turn. So that is why अभी U-turn लेना tough है. So another very important point यहाँ पे है, should be taken note of this, is that they had been virtually no recruitment in the banking industry for 14 to 15 years, means 85 to 98. So our pension scheme covers the recruitment prior to 1st April 2010, as new pension scheme was introduced for those who are recruited on or after 1st April 2010. So such of those employees who are covered under our pension scheme would all retire by 2047. Till that time, contribution by them by surrendering their CPF plus accretion of income on that will be there. So hence substantial amount in fund will remain even after the last retiree leaves the world. So now the question comes, who is having the proprietary of having dialogue with IBA on pension related issues? So we have clarified our standpoint on the issue before you and IBA time and again. So AIB Park and other apex level organizations of retirees must have the rightful opportunity of being heard. So IBA, in pursuance of Government of India guidelines, subsequently being backed by the decision of Managing Committee of IBA, advised all member banks to form grievance redressal mechanism at corporate level, but strangely enough IBA is denying the consultative status at its own level. So it has been told to us on several occasions that IBA had the authority from member banks to talk to the serving organizations on wage revision and not with the organization of retirees on matters relating to the pension. So now a pertinent question comes, where IBA got the authority of talking to the serving organizations on pension updation without getting specific authority from member banks or the actual beneficiaries till today. So we demand that the issue of a pension updation must be discussed with the retirees and pension organization who know where the shoe pinches and no other who are representing serving employees and officers. तो यहाँ पे काफ़ी लेंथी ये मैसेज है दोस्तों, इसको सम अप करते हैं. टू सम अप, वी सीक द प्रोटेक्शन from the Ministry of Finance, Government of India against any possible attempt to dilute or distort the RBI formula of updation of pension, because the bank employee pension regulations are framed on the pattern of Reserve Bank of India, and we request you to see that updation is done exactly in the same way as done by the Reserve Bank of India by the way of directions from the ministry. So there is no scope for any negotiation as we are asking for implementation of pension regulation 35(1) as per the formulae done in the Reserve Bank of India. So if any discussion is required, it has to be with the apex level bank pensioners and retirees organization who are the real stakeholders, the bank pensioners and the retirees friends. So this was the sum up. So please subscribe to channel and share this update.